Do you know the signs of eating too much fat? It's a question that many of us may not consider, but it's high time we did. A balanced diet is fundamental to our overall well-being, and tipping the scales with an excess of fat can lead to numerous health risks. From unexplained weight gain to skin issues and even cognitive difficulties, the signs are diverse and not to be ignored. So, stay tuned as we explore the 10 signs that you might be consuming too much fat. The first sign is unexplained weight gain. It's no surprise that a diet rich in fats can lead to weight gain, tipping the scale towards obesity. Multiple scientific studies corroborate this. For instance, research indicates that a high-fat diet can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, leading to increased energy absorption and hence weight gain. So, it's not just about the calories, but the type of calories you consume. So, if you're gaining weight without any apparent reason, it might be due to a high-fat diet. The second sign is persistent digestive issues. Fats, especially of the unhealthy variety, are more challenging for our bodies to break down. This can lead to a medley of uncomfortable conditions, such as bloating, gas, and even constipation. Your digestive system may be crying out for help, bogged down by the heavy task of processing excessive fats. So, if you find yourself frequently dealing with these digestive dilemmas, it might be high time to reassess your dietary habits. If you're experiencing these issues, it's time to reconsider your diet. The third sign is constant fatigue. When your diet is loaded with too much fat, your body has to work overtime to process it all. This can lead to feelings of lethargy and an overall lack of energy. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. Your body is using all its resources to break down the fat, leaving you feeling drained. So if you're constantly feeling tired, it might be time to reassess your diet. Feeling drained all the time? Your diet could be the culprit. The fourth and fifth signs are high cholesterol and blood pressure. Now, let's talk about how these signs are connected to a high-fat diet. Consuming too much fat, particularly saturated and trans fats, can lead to a spike in cholesterol levels. As cholesterol builds up in your blood vessels, it forms plaques that can restrict or even block blood flow. This not only puts pressure on your heart to pump harder, but also increases the risk of heart disease. Moreover, a high-fat diet can lead to high blood pressure. Excess fat in your diet can cause weight gain, which in turn increases blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a silent killer because it often presents no symptoms. The link between a high-fat diet and these cardiovascular issues is clear. It's essential to remember the importance of balance in your diet, incorporating a variety of nutrients while limiting fat intake. Regular checkups can help you identify these signs early. The sixth and seventh signs are skin problems and poor immune function. Now let's dig a little deeper into these symptoms. Consuming too much fat, particularly the saturated and trans types, has been linked to various skin issues. You may notice breakouts of acne and the flaring up of conditions like eczema. This is because an excess of unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation, which in turn triggers these skin problems. Switching gears to your immune system, it's your body's primary defense against illness and infection. But did you know that a high-fat diet can actually weaken it? That's right. Overconsumption of fats can reduce your immune system's response, making you more susceptible to diseases. It's a direct result of the inflammation caused by these unhealthy fats, disrupting the normal functioning of your immune cells. So, don't ignore these signs. Your skin and immune system can tell a lot about your diet. Listen to your body, it's smarter than you think. The last three signs are mood swings, poor concentration, and memory issues. These signs might seem unrelated to your diet at first glance, but there's a growing body of research suggesting a strong connection between what we eat and how our brains function. A high-fat diet in particular can affect your brain health in several ways. Mood swings, for instance, are often linked to fluctuations in blood sugar levels, which can be triggered by consuming excessive amounts of fat. When your blood sugar levels are unstable, it can lead to mood changes ranging from irritability to feelings of sadness. Next, let's talk about poor concentration. It's not just about feeling foggy after a big meal. Consistently consuming too much fat can lead to chronic inflammation in the body, including the brain. This inflammation can interfere with your brain's ability to focus, resulting in poor concentration. Lastly, memory issues. Over time, a high-fat diet can cause changes in the brain that affect your ability to form and recall memories. Studies have shown that diets high in saturated fats, in particular, can impair memory and learning capabilities. Remember, these are not just fleeting feelings or momentary lapses in concentration. They are signs that your diet may be affecting your brain health. Consuming too much fat can have a significant impact on your mental well-being, not just your physical health. Your brain health is as important as your physical health. Don't ignore these signs. So, these were the 10 signs that you might be consuming too much fat. Unexplained weight gain, digestive issues, and fatigue can all be indicators of excessive fat intake. High cholesterol and blood pressure, often silent killers, also point towards an imbalance in your diet. Skin problems and a poor immune function are your body's way of waving a red flag. Mood swings, poor concentration, and memory issues may seem unrelated, but they too can be linked to your dietary habits. Now that we've identified these signs, let's focus on the importance of a balanced diet. It's not just about reducing fat intake, but also about incorporating a variety of nutrients into our meals. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats all have a place on our plates. Reducing fat doesn't mean eliminating it completely. Our bodies need certain fats to function properly. The key is to choose healthy fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and fish. Replace processed foods with whole, natural foods whenever possible. Drink plenty of water, and remember, moderation is key. A balanced diet is not a fad, it's a lifestyle. It's about making conscious choices every day, choices that will impact your health in the long run. Remember, your health is your wealth. Eat wisely, live happily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, take care.